Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We were baited to buy one of this, so now we want to get all of this. Let's go! Okay, so as you can see, we have here Funko Pop Pin edition of our DC Comics Bombshells number 12 of the series, which we have here Catwoman. Okay, so as you know, I rarely collect DC characters, but if I do, I collect bombshells. Okay, so you can see here, even in the playmat that we have our favorite DC bombshell, Zatanna. Okay, so I got this way back. Okay, I think it was a great deal then, and free shipping. Like, I got this for around $5. Okay, so you can see on the side the Catwoman as well. And I just realized that there are 3 more of these bombshell pins. Okay, so I was looking through Amazon and I bumped into promo to purchase the pins that I don't have. And who am I? I was contemplating before not to collect them, but it's my weakness, guys. So we have a package that we're going to look at. Okay, so remember, the P in ASAP stands for Prime. So we have a Amazon Prime package here, and you know what's going to be inside. As I said, I was baited to buy half-heartedly, I would say, the other pins that I don't have. And here we are. Let's take a look at the reality of collecting. Even if you don't want to, you would still buy them if it's a great price. Do you have a similar experience on that? So these 3 others I got for around $20, so that's $7 each. So definitely a great deal. One of the reason I was finally able to purchase them. Okay, so let's take a look. So we have the Harley Quinn. Okay, we have the Batwoman, a Batgirl rather, not Batwoman. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13 in the pin series. And we have Poison Ivy. Okay, oops, Poison Ivy has a sticker. I don't like that, because it's gonna be hard to take it out. Let's see, I hope I don't mess the plastic. We're not gonna unbox it, these items, in this video. Probably on a separate video, but I plan to keep them mint in sealed condition. Okay, just because I don't know how pins would stay in terms of quality when they're taken out of the box. Okay, but here we are, all 4 of them, DC bombshells. Nabudol po tayo, but it's a good budol, it's a good buy bait. Okay, I hope there's more now. I hope they make a Zatanna pin, as she is my favorite DC bombshell, and probably Wonder Woman. Okay, I wonder why Wonder Woman is not here. Okay, so I might have to do a little bit more research, as there might already be a Wonder Woman DC bombshell pin. But until then, bye bye everyone.